Hi everybody, this is Steel Blanchett with Green Thumb Stampers. I'm here to show you, I'm not going to show you how I made my fourth alternate card for the Pick of the Crop Paper Pumpkin Kit from June of 2022, but I am going to show you the card. I used, I just had a inspiration when I saw the strawberry and stuff. My kids loved this book. I cut off part of the top. It's the Little Mouse, the Red Ripe Strawberry, and the Big Hungry Bear. And it just, for whatever reason, it came into my head that this book popped up when I saw the strawberries and stuff. So I made this card based on the front of this book. And the reason I'm not really going to show you how I made it all is because I used the Cute Critters set from 2002. I used the Little Mouse from him. I used the Home and Garden ladder, and then the garden dies to cut out the ladder. I did use the strawberry and the words, but then I used the Sweet Strawberry stamp set here to use the leaves from it and my Strawberry Builder punch. So I had a lot going on that wasn't really paper pumpkin kit. I've got a like a leaf background on the this. I believe I ended up with Sweet Sorbet. It might be Poppy Parade, but I think I used Sweet Sorbet. So I had a lot going on there that wasn't really paper pumpkin, but I did use the strawberry. I used the strawberry stamp and cut it out just to kind of do my vision. So I don't have enough like white. I should have some more white showing through for the daylight, but again, it was just what was in my head. I printed this out and I wanted to see if I could recreate it. So what I did for this was I used Evening Evergreen base at 8.5 by 5.5. I have a layer at 5 1/4 by 4 of the Sweet Sorbet that I ran through my embossing machine with the fern background or fern folder, and then I just cut down some soft succulent and some basic white, and then I just stamped some leaves around. I tried to make what would appear to be, layers of leaves. And then I took my blender brushes with some yellow and some, you can see over here, it's kind of some blues, kind of Bermuda Bay looking, and me not being that artistic in that sense, I just brought in some blues that I could and some yellows to try and show the different lighting sources. I really could use some fun art lessons to help me with that. I've never been good with my light sources, but I went ahead and jazzed up some of the edges of the leaves with some light and just went with that. And that was what I came up with just out of my own head and using this as my design, my go-to. So I just wanted to show you this as my fourth card. And like I say, I don't expect that it's anything anybody would want to recreate, but I wanted to show you where my mind went and what I ended up with. So thanks for watching, everybody. I hope you appreciate the videos and that they give you some inspiration, and I'll be back again with the next kit. Bye, guys.